Welcome to part 2 of our engaging 5-part series, Practical Ways to Integrate Prayer into Everyday Activities. In this episode, we delve into transforming daily habits into moments of spiritual connection, inspired by the concepts in Atomic Habits by James Clear. Our focus today, making the act of brushing your teeth a cue for prayer. Step 1. Setting the intention. Start by setting a clear intention. As you reach for your toothbrush, take a moment to consciously decide that this will be more than just a hygiene routine. It's your time to connect with God. This mental shift is crucial for transforming a mundane task into a spiritual practice. Step 2. Morning prayer. Routine. As you apply toothpaste and begin brushing, start your morning prayer. You might express gratitude for the new day, ask for strength and wisdom, or seek guidance for any specific challenges you anticipate. This prayer doesn't have to be long. Even a few heartfelt sentences can set a positive, reflective tone for your day. Step 3. Mindfulness and presence. While brushing, try to stay present. Focus on the act of brushing and the words of your prayer. This mindfulness helps create a sacred space in your mind, pushing aside the day's worries and distractions. Step 4. Evening reflection. In the evening, as you brush your teeth again, use this time for reflective prayer. Think back on the day's events, thank God for the blessings and lessons learned, and seek peace and forgiveness for any struggles or missteps. This helps you end your day on a note of gratitude and introspection. Step 5. Consistency and habit building. The key to this practice is consistency. By repeating this routine every morning and night, you'll gradually build a habit of prayer that intertwines seamlessly with your daily life. Soon, just reaching for your toothbrush will naturally bring your thoughts to prayer and reflection. Bonus tips: personalize your prayers. Tailor your prayers to reflect your personal journey and current life situations. This personal touch makes each prayer session more meaningful. Involve family members. If you have a family, encourage them to join in this practice. It can be a wonderful way to teach children about the importance of regular prayer and reflection. Be patient. Building new habits takes time. Don't be discouraged if it takes a while to become second nature. Keep at it, and soon it will become a cherished part of your routine. In conclusion, integrating prayer into your daily toothbrushing routine is a simple, yet effective way to ensure you're connecting with God regularly. This practice turns an ordinary activity into a moment of spiritual enrichment, helping you maintain a strong spiritual presence in your life. Remember to follow and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips on weaving prayer into your everyday life. And join us for the next part of this series, where we'll explore another everyday activity that can become a gateway to deeper spiritual engagement. Let's embrace these small acts of devotion together and discover the joy of constant spiritual connection amidst life's chaos.